Hi, I'm Mette Johansson. I am an expert in leadership excellence and culture transformation. I work with leaders to make sure that they see the culture change that they want to have in a company, in change processes. In general, I am an expert in authentic, inclusive and inspirational leadership. I work with large organizations, the multinational organizations, the big brands that you know, and I'm very passionate about making sure that individuals are treated as individuals through leadership excellence. Within the Commercial Excellence Partnership, I am responsible for culture transformation. I will make sure that your leaders live the changes that you want to see happening.